Limited inventory, multiple offers, bidding wars. Of course you're nervous about selling your home. You may be wondering if you'll be able to find a replacement home, or what if you sell, where would you go? What would you do if you couldn't find a home? Maybe you're curious, if you couldn't find a home, would you still have to sell? I totally understand. We are speaking to sellers daily who have the very same concern. Of course you're nervous. It's your home. It's where you live. Hi, I'm Jason Caskey with the Ohlmeyer team at Coldwell Banker in Danville. The good news is there are solutions. Many solutions, in fact. But what I've found while meeting with so many families is that depending on your unique situation, that will determine the best course of action and strategy that I can advise you on what you should do. Asking questions about timing, if you're moving locally or out of the area, do you have a temporary rental or do you need to sell right now? The bottom line is that coming up with a strategy really changes from family to family and what their unique situation is. But due to our extensive amount of time in the industry, how many homeowners just like you we've helped over the years, the good news is that there are solutions that we have come up with for just about any situation. So please, feel free to reach out today because we'd love to navigate this with you. And don't worry, there is never any pressure or obligation in meeting with us. We're just here to help. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to take a deeper dive into just a few of the solutions in future videos, so be sure to watch out for them. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and as always, this is Jason Caskey with the Ohlmeyer team out of Coldwell Banker in Danville. And remember, sell your home smarter. Make it a great home selling and buying day. Thank you for watching. Take care.